Hello, 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 mes amours. Welcome to Haitian Cuisine with me. No? Today we are about to make some patate ak lait. Okay? It's milk with sweet potato. So what we need to get this done, this is my patate right here, my sweet potato. These are the very hard one. It's good to use the purple one, not the yellow skin one, okay? I'm gonna need some lime zest. I have some, you can use regular ginger, or I have the ground one. I use some of this. I have my anise stars, okay, and I have my milk. So boil everything together. Now I have my milk that I boiled. Yeah, when you're boiling your milk, make sure that's my anise stars. And now I'm gonna be adding my potatoes. I cut them very small. It's depending on how small you want them to be cut. That's the size that I use. Okay. And when you're boiling your milk, always make sure that the fire is not too high, and always keep looking because it could be overflowed. That's my potatoes right here. All the cooked. Let it boil for a little bit. You can add sugar if you like, if your choice. Okay, I add like 2 teaspoons of sugar, and that's it right here. Just about to be done. That's how I make my patate ak lait. My sweet potato with milk. I barely see my lime zest, the rain that I put in there, but I know it's there. And don't forget to add a pinch of salt in there so you can balance it out. There's the patate ak lait. It's ready. I'm gonna try to get you guys up here. See if I can just pour it in a bowl and see what it's gonna look like. Okay. I hope you're watching. You see how it's overflowing? Okay, it's all done. I'm gonna take it out. Turn off my fire. Do I have to cover everything? Princess. Pinch of cinnamon ground. That's it. Okay. That's my sweet potato with milk. Sit right here. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment. And don't forget to put on your notification bell. Till next time.